Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you one trick to put your picture on your phone keyboard. If you are not knowing this video is for you, and if you like the video please consider to subscribe this channel. Means you have to edit the keyboard background. So first thing you need, what you need, just go to the Play Store and search for Gboard, Google Keyboard, and just install it. Now it will take some time, so it is installing. So now it has been installed. Just open it, see what is happening. Just enable in settings, step 1, enable in settings. Then you need to go to Gboard and enable it. Okay, then step 2, select Gboard as your default input method. Select input method, then Gboard. Okay, done. Okay, now go to the system, go to the themes, and here just select the color what you want, or you can go to the my themes, and from here my themes, and from you can choose any picture you want. Just for a testing purpose I will select this one. Okay, pinch to drag, means how much you want, just drag it. Next, adjust brightness, transparency from here. Done. Okay, now this will look like that. Apply. Okay, so just go back. Okay, and now check. Now we will check. We will go and we will type some thing. See, the background is coming with picture. So this is how you will add any picture. What do you want? And the select the transparency, you can choose the transparency. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.